Dang, nice. Look at that. Awesome. Cool. Yes. This is gonna be sweet. Here we are. Hagador Canyon. Zoom. How's it gonna be? Let the adventure begin. Oh yeah. Dang. It's good deep there. Nice. This is going to be cool. I do this trail a lot when it's dry. It's such a treat to have some rain and to run it wet that I got to take every chance I can to hit it when it's raining like this. It was sprinkling lightly all night. I didn't think it would have so much water, but here we are. Oh. Uh-oh. I bagged my feet. That went clear in past the bag. Oh well. Hello, Manzanita. Left foot soaked. Right foot dry. They're both going to be soaked by the time I'm done, I got a feeling. How deep is it? Well, it looks clear just to the left of that rock. We shall see. Oh, that was so deep. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so sweet. Woo! Wow. All right, I'm gonna go that way. Right like this. Oh yeah. Chug away, Kings Peak. Big ol' floaty tires. I guess straight across. Dang, I can't see. And that could be really deep. For sure it's going to be pushing on my rims because that water is rushing. All right, ready? Oh dang, the edge is all washed out. Holy moly. Okay, ready? No, but we gotta go anyways. Go. Oh, epic fail. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's washing my bike away. There we go. And if you ever wondered, the fat bikes float. Here's a rocky section, got a little water trickling down, making the rocks slippery. We still got mega traction with these big tires. Yes. Woo, listen to that raging. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my. Oh dang. What's it like underneath all that? Woo! This will be interesting. Wow. All right, see what we can do here. I can't see what's below the water surface really. So just gonna send it. Oh, yep, come on. Come on. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh ho ho, yes. Oh yeah, unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, Kings Peak conquering, yes. Yeehaw. I have been hoping for a rainy day like this to get up here and ride, to get the water like this for since the last time, which was, gosh, 2016, 17, 18, somewhere around there. Here we go. Super sweet. This one is always hard. Wow, it's washed away a lot, I can tell. Because I used to be able to cut around here to the right and then cross. But that looks like a no-go. So, if I can get to there. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on underneath. Ready? Nope. Ready, steady. Oh my. Go. Up, up. Not bad. I think we'll just take some big steps and make it across. Whew! Log jam. All right. I think a big step over to that rock. And we are over. Wow. So cool. Up we go. Here we go. Well, can't see how deep that is. And I got a branch on the other side. Ready, go. Oh, dang, that was deep. The water has washed away so much dirt. Whew. I just am not expecting it to drop so far in. But it's awesome. One thing nice about Hagador, even when it's raining, if you'll notice, it's not muddy at all. Like my tire, see it rolling around? There's no mud on that tire. The ground is got too much rock and sand in it, which is nice. Oh my gosh, this next section is going to be amazing. Wow. That is so awesome. Can we cross it? We shall see. I got the 4 lights going. No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, got 5 lights going this morning. I couldn't put one on my helmet because I don't got a spot for it up there with my rain setup. So, whew. All right, wait for that breath to clear. And here we go. That was pretty deep. Oh, that was pretty deep. Oh my gosh. Yes. That was pretty darn good. Whew. And continue. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Whoa. Roll it. Go, 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 go. Oh no. Oh, the pipe. I forgot about the pipe. It was so buried. You know, I am toasty warm, but I bagged my feet to try to keep them dry. But the downside of that is if you step in a really deep puddle, the water goes over and into the bag. They're like two sloshy, soggy puppies now down there. Oh well, it's all good. They're not cold though. Even these small little ones have water in them that don't normally. That's so cool. What do we got here? Oh yeah. This one's always gonna walk around. Splash, splash. Ugh. Dang. It's so deep. Oh, look at this. Oh my. We gotta try to ride up that. Yes, indeed. Ready, go. Oh, slippery root takes him out. Oh boy. Wow. Dang. Oh, this is gonna be a hard one. Yeah. What to do? See if I can log roll across on this thing. Gotta lift my bike up because that water pushing on these big tires pushed me right over. All right, I think a big step and I'm over. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, let's brakes. Well, which way? Get me around on this side. Okay. A rock there. Can step on that rock. The bike's gonna rinse downstream. Pick up the bike. Looks like there's a rock right there, right? Branch. Yep. Oh, easy. Here we go. Lean way back and pedal, 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 pedal. Oh, yes. Oh, so cool. It is so rare. It's running down there. Look at that. Double, triple waterfalls. So sweet. This is so awesome. I gotta make this climb. Go. Around that rock. Why did that seem so easy this time? This is still hanging in there. Keep wondering when this tree's gonna collapse. No easy way around. Oops. Yeah. Made it. Funny. The GoPro starts by voice. It does not like the sound of rushing water. Wow, this one has been rideable for a long time. Right straight across there. Not so sure about today. Oh my! Keep it going. Keep it going. Oh, dude. Yes. That was awesome and it's still continuing to be awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my. I just gotta go up there a little ways. Whoop. Up. Get back over here. Woo! Made it. Almost up as far as I'm gonna go. Wow, there's so much water. It's rushing. It's so awesome. I mean, I can't even keep on describing how awesome it is. But I mean, I guess you have to kind of like this kind of ride. But I like this kind of ride. This is perfect. It's like not so rushing down of a raging torrent that I'm gonna get washed downstream or anything. It's just fun to cross. It's a challenge. Super fun. I love that sound. So nice. Got my GoPro underneath there. There it is. This is that sweet little shortcut my wife showed me, so I'm not down there in the river. You can ride a lot of it. Some of it you gotta walk, but it's so much better than that. Looks like this is a walkie section. Wow. Whoa. Water is coming down right here. So I'd never really realized, I guess, that this is another canyon. Figures, I guess. And that's all the runoff. Because the trail goes down this. Oh no. Dang, I don't know if I can get across that. I mean, I could walk across it, I guess. Oh my gosh. Let me think about this. I have thought about it and I decided to walk across. Walk across. There's a rock there. I can see it. Okay. Big step. Over to there. Now what? Over here. Big step. Let go of my bike. Over here. Yes. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Oh, that was pretty darn good.
That was awesome.
Woo! Quite the adventure. I'm loving this. I've been waiting for a day like this, and everything was perfect. I could get up and hit this trail this morning. It rained all night. Water's running down everywhere. Super cool. Let's see, is this the most I've ever seen? Maybe, or it tied with like 5 years ago when I was up here. I'm super happy with this Fezzari Kings Peak. Super great adventure bike. It's perfect for this. Don't got snow here like a lot of guys ride them in, but it's perfect for exploring trails like this. Super fun. Awesome. Well, time to roll down. So what am I wearing for this? I have on my regular riding gear with all my pads on underneath this. Rain pants. Rain coat. It's pullover. I have the hood on. I have an extended visor with a plastic bag over the top of the helmet so the water doesn't run down the vent holes. And then it runs down my back, so any water running down the helmet doesn't run down your back. It runs like on the outside of your back. In my shoes, I put bags. Oh yeah, you can see them. The only problem is they're not long enough, and so when I stepped into the water, it just ran right into the bags. So it's like a little swimming pool where my feet are, it's all right. It's only for an hour, and let's see. And I'm hot. I didn't need the vest, but it's okay. I'm not cold, but I'm having fun. The bike, Kings Peak, Fezzari, dude, this thing is made for this kind of adventure. Got the 27.5 fat tires, carbon rims, carbon bars, weighs just shy of 33 pounds. I got a ridiculous lighting setup today. The rain's coming down a little heavier. You can see it in the lights there. But anyways, good time. Having a good time. I'm going to keep going. Brop. Oh. Man, that's faster. Oh, what do we have here? Raging waters. Alrighty. Over here. Here, there. Oh, that rock's wiggling. Made it. Yes! Ready, steady, go-y. Well, these aren't 510s. They don't have that grippy rubber on the bottom. One of my old crappy pair of hiking boots. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh man, I wanted to make that. Another day. Oh, that was my butt rubbing the tire. Oh yeah, yes. Had to make some adjustments. My hood, which I was wearing, was kind of slippery, and it was making my helmet slip forward on my head. My favorite little punchy climb with a big rock sticking out next to it. Right here. Nice. All the way across and up. It is really flowing. On my way back. So awesome. Woo! Yes. Oh. Man, I couldn't have asked for this to be any better. Well, I could have asked for it to rain a little bit harder. No, this is super sweet. All right, let's see how we do here. Oh yeah, I could have went all the way if this log wasn't here. Whoosh. Log's still there. Oh no, there's a pipe. I forgot about that. Dang it. Yeah, it's slippery. I saw it just through the water right there at the last second as my front tire was sliding down it. Oh, that is deep. uh, all right, there's the pipe. Pop over it and straight across. Pop and straight across. Oh yeah. Dang. I don't ever remember water being running through here like this. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was so fun. Woo! Escape from Hagador. Oh yeah. I think this is my favorite one. All right. Go baby go. Go baby go. Go baby go. Go baby go. Oh, yes. Woo! It's probably my favorite one because I can make it. Probably. Awesome. Surprise, surprise. What do we got under here? Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby. Oh, I could have made that if I wasn't over to the left so far. Ah, vines. Uh-oh. Oh, dude. That is deep. Oh man, these are going to look so different when the water's done rinsing all the dirt away. Ooh. Here we go. You got it. Yes. Hello, Manzanita. But you're loving the water. So maybe in the backside of those rocks, maybe. Maybe not. That was pretty deep. There's the waterfall. Well, I had to stop and get a shot here with the waterfall. It doesn't run that often, so when it does, you got to make sure you get it. Super cool. Just raging. Super fun ride. Man, that was awesome. Final rinse off here.